Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll teach you how to set up a blog on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to head over here on your online store. Then from in here, you should be able to see this blog post. So click on this blog post right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see this. So as you can see, I don't have any blog posts yet. So what I can do is I can just click on this create blog post. Now on here, I should be able to see this. So I can enter in here a title. For example, I'll title it Dogs Chasing Cats. And then once I have the title right here, next thing I can do is I can actually write in here the content. So you can also utilize AI right here, but I recommend you to just create a content out of your own. But for me, I'll just utilize AI since this is just a tutorial video. So I'll just click on this generate text and I'll just put in here the title, click on generate right here. And then this here will generate the content of my blog. So as you can see, it's writing that. So what we can do is you can just wait for that and then click on the keep right here. And as you can see, it will show us or it will create us blog for this. So in here, you should be able to also see this visibility. Make sure to set it to visible. Then click on this add image right here in order to add a featured image. Now I'll just put this picture of a dog and then click on open right here in order to upload that. And then from in here, when you scroll down, you should be able to see the organization wherein you can see the author, the blog info. It can be a news, it can be a create a new blog right here. Or you can also add in here an excerpt, which is a summary of the post to appear on your homepage or blog. So this is what it will look like on my search engine listing preview. So what I can do is I can click on the save right here. Or you can also add in here some tags if you want. So let's head over and click on save right here. And then once you have seen that, you should be able to see that our blog is successfully posted. So you can click on this view right here. And then you should be able to see the blog post that we have created on our actual Shopify store. So in here, you can see this blog that we have. So you can click on this back right here. And then from in here, you should be able to see a lot more blogs that you have created if you have any. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. And if you also found this video helpful, then leave a like below as well or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.